Hi, today I'm making honey bourbon chicken strips. And so, for those of you who have watched me make chicken and marinades for chicken, I actually like the Lawry's honey bourbon marinade. It's super inexpensive for that marinade, and it's just really easy to do. So you take thin pieces of chicken breast, and so if you can't find them in the store, you can literally cut them, slice them so that they're thinner. And put them in a plastic bag, as well as pour the marinade over, right? Okay, so you're going to sort of put that in a plastic bag. You can add seasoning. I don't recommend too much because it can be salty. And so I think I found that out a couple of times the hard way. So I have found that if you just use the marinade, maybe if you feel like it, some garlic powder, you usually do okay. Next, I'm going to use about a cup of flour and just use the Morton natural seasoning and thyme in the flour just to have a little bit of seasoned flour. Again, this recipe can easily be oversalted, so you want to just take it easy. You want to mix those ingredients together, and then you're going to crack one egg into another bowl. And I put just a little bit of milk to make sure it covers all of the chicken strips. Now I'm going to take my chicken out of the refrigerator. It's marinated for an hour, and I'm going to slice those even smaller so that they're into strips. And then I'm going to go ahead and place them in my seasoned flour, dip them next into the egg batter, and then follow back up by putting them back in the seasoned flour. Now, you may want to use another bowl and just use plain flour. For me, this was fine, but again, you want to be careful on your salt here with this recipe. As I do with most of my chicken, I'm frying it in a cup and a half of avocado oil using my cast iron skillet. And so here's what it looks like when I've gotten the strips in there. You're going to turn them when they are golden brown. And because they're chicken breast, you have to just take it easy because they don't have fat to sort of adhere to. They're very lean when they're done. And you'll drain them on a paper towel. I put a few of my green onions on there. And they're a great appetizer or snack or even dinner.